at 6, a heated argument between a school bus driver and some parents left one CCSD school bus damaged. Now, one of those parents is speaking out, saying she is fed up with her child being late to school. 13 Action News reporter Marissa Keniston has more on how this all escalated.
Several students just waiting to board their bus for school this morning when this happened. Clark County School District police say a parent punched this window out of frustration. Parents saying everyone's frustrated.
All the parents were concerned about it. I mean, it's ridiculous.
Shanita Kelly says since school started, this bus has been late. Her child has been late to school, missing parts of class, and late coming home several times. She says her child was even left behind at school.
I felt kind of concerned about my kids.
This morning, parents say the bus was late again, and they had enough. So 13 Action News got some answers from CCSD. Turns out this particular bus is on an overflow route. That means as the bus continues along its route, it could pick up more and more students depending on how much space is on the bus, potentially impacting pickup and drop-off times. But Kelly argues there has to be a better system.
Don't be an about it and think you're just going to leave somebody's kid. You left my niece at a school. Could have been raped, murdered, kidnapped, anything.
Police tell me there were no arrests made this morning. They didn't issue any tickets here this morning either. They said as they continue their investigation, they could decide to do that at a later time. Marissa Keniston, 13 Action News.